Hello, sorry that I'm filming from my hand, but today's subject is too big. This is my bladeless fan. This is like a copy of the quite expensive one made by DYSON company, which I think is British, but that one I've got from Germany. But I don't know if this is a German made or just a Chinese one. So the first thing that you can see, this is a fan, but there is no blade, and I can turn it on. You can clearly hear that it's working, and I'm just pulling back a little bit, and I've got that paper tissue, and you can clearly see that it's blowing really nice, and you really got feeling from the 1 meter that is blowing from the center, so the air is blowing just into your face and you cannot see any fan. So it's not only looks cool, but it can be pretty useful if you have like a child, because there is, I know that fan have a guard, but still even with a guard you can put like a pencil and make a disaster. But over here there is nothing you can poke, and behind that grill there is nothing moving, and I'm going to show you just in a second. You can also turn on the rotation, and it's giving you a very nice sweep. And I was waiting really long time to fix it, and fixing was extremely simple, but it was annoying, and I was waiting for the moment that I will snap and decide to open, and that was today. So here you can see what inside. Let me show you from the side. So this is the side and the back. So as you can see, the grill is not over there, and here's the air intake, and I'm going to remove the cover and you're going to see everything. And this is what you can see if you remove the back panel. Here is the grill, and this is a one big air channel, and as I told you, there is nothing you can poke from that grill, because our blades are over there. This is a little bit fun, like on the air conditioning. I saw that design, and it is a double from both sides. I'm going to turn it on, and as you can see, it's working really nice. So I'm going to tell you what was the problem of that annoying noise. On the side we've got a little rubber piece. Please focus, because I would like to show you something. And under there is a bearing, and as you can see, I put oil onto that bearing, and now it's going smooth and very quiet. So that was extremely fast and cheap fix. I like to add a lot of oil, so yes, it's very nice. You can't even hear while it's spinning. The only noise is just air being pushed. So yes, here is the internal part of the bladeless fan. So as you can see, there are blade, but in a little bit of different form factor. So thank you very much for watching, see you next time, and bye bye.